In this video, we're going to show you how to install the engine splash shield on your Volvo XC90 located underneath the engine. With the vehicle raised and supported, we want to go ahead and remove the splash shield on the bottom side of the engine. There's 6 10mm bolts around the perimeter holding this in place. We're going to use our 10mm socket and impact gun to loosen and remove these. Go ahead and remove that cover and set it aside. So you bring the splash shield up in a position. And it's ideal to go ahead and get all of these bolts started by hand first, just a few threads. I'm going to go ahead and put one bolt in the back. That'll hold it up in a position. Install the last two. With all the bolts started, let's go ahead and snug them down. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.